Hey there, Trey Sutton here with HISD Now. We're here at Pin Oak Middle School this week as part of our Campus Close-Up series, bringing you stories about this campus community. We're going to go talk to Miss Martinez, a CTE teacher here at this campus, and what makes this program so great. Let's go check it out. CTE teacher Brandi Martinez is helping students turn their passions into real-world possibilities. During her 4 years at Pin Oak Middle School, she's built a strong collaborative environment focused on opportunity and growth.
On this campus, it really is about teamwork, and it really is about making sure that these students succeed and have better opportunities than what we had when we were younger.
Career and Technology Education Programs, or CTE, are designed to equip students with the knowledge, skills, and certifications needed for a variety of career fields.
Maybe they want to be a mechanic, maybe they want to be a doctor, maybe they want to be an IT specialist, whatever. They can do that through the CTE program at HISD.
Last year, Miss Martinez opened the doors of opportunity even further for her students.
Last year, on a whim, I decided that we're going to do TSA.
TSA, or the Technology Student Association, is a nonprofit that helps students grow through STEM-based leadership, career prep, and hands-on activities, and even competitions. Even though last year was their first, Miss Martinez's students made a big splash, dominating in regionals and state, and even making it to nationals this past summer.
At regionals, we had 132 or 33, and then at state we had 93.
Got it.
So of that 93, we ended up making 2 state championships in the CO2 race car and social media marketing.
How did all this?
No one approached me. So I'm a very go-getter person.
Yeah.
I found this online. Actually found it through Miss Hammond, who runs the CTE program there at Hattie Mae, and it was really intriguing to me, and I was like, this is perfect for our campus.
Miss Brandi Martinez from Pin Oak Middle School, proving that CTE is much more than a program. It's a pathway to lifelong success.